sequence and series. Heading is arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression is AP. So any sequence, the common differences are same, that sequence is called arithmetic progression. For example, 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. So this is a multiple of 5 sequence. 5, 10, 15, 20. So what is the difference here? 5, 5, 5. So any sequence whose the differences are same, that sequence is called arithmetic progression. So every sequence has nth term. So what is the nth term of arithmetic progression? So nth term means general term of arithmetic progression. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. So this is general term of arithmetic progression. So we need first term means substitute here 1 and here 1. So T1 means a plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0. 0 into t is 0. So T1 is a. That is general form of AP. So general form of AP, first term is a. Because T1 is a. We need second term means substitute here 2 and 2. So T2 equal to a plus 2 minus 1. You know 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into d is d. So T2 is a plus d. So second term is a plus d. Third term is a plus 2d and so on. So this is general form of arithmetic progression. So general form of arithmetic progression is a, comma a plus d, comma a plus 2d, comma a plus 3d, etc. So general term of AP, that is nth term, Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. And next heading is to find the number of terms of AP. Number of terms of AP means, suppose given sequence is finite sequence, how to find number of terms. For example, 7, 14, 21, etc. up to 490. So this is our finite sequence. So what is finite sequence? A countable number of elements. A sequence contains countable number of elements means finite sequence. Uncountable means infinite sequence. So how many terms in finite sequence? Finite AP means we use this formula n equal to L minus A by D plus 1. So n is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. So this is to find number of terms in finite AP, finite arithmetic progression. And next here L is called last term, A is first term, and D means common difference. So common difference means what? How to find common difference? So listen, common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. Common difference means T2 minus T1. Second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term. That is common difference. So to find number of terms means we use this formula n is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. And next, given sequence, 3 consecutive terms are given. From a question, 3 consecutive terms are given means we take 3 consecutive terms like this: A minus D, A plus D. So 3 consecutive terms given means we take A minus D, A plus D are 3 consecutive terms. So sum of 3 consecutive terms of an AP is given. So in our problem, sum of 3 consecutive terms of AP is given means you take 3 consecutive terms like this: A minus D, A plus D. Suppose sum of 4 consecutive terms are given means use this form: A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. So these are the formulas we used here. Exercise 2.5, that is arithmetic progression. So listen, first question. Check whether the following sequence are in AP. So our first question is check the following sequences are AB or not. So our first sequence is A minus 3, comma A minus 5, comma A minus 7 and etc. So this is T1, this is T2, this is T3. That means first term, second term and third term. So how to check the given sequence is AB or not? The common differences are same means common differences are same, the given sequence is AB. Common differences not same, not equal, the given sequence is not an AB. So listen, common difference denotes D. D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is term 2 minus term 1. So you know term 2 is what? Term 2 is A minus 5. So right here A minus 5 minus of term 1 is A minus 3. So this is equal to A minus 5. So distribute this minus 2 each, we get minus A plus 3. So plus A minus A cancel. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So common difference is minus 2. That is T2 minus T1 is minus 2. Next, check T3 minus T2. So here we get T2 minus T1 result, right? Common difference is formula T2 minus T1. So T2 minus T1 result we get minus 2. T2 minus T1 is minus 2. And then T3 minus T2. You know T3 is what? A minus 7 minus of A minus 5. So this is equal to A minus 7 minus of A minus 5. So write as it is A minus 7 minus A plus 5, because minus into A minus into minus is plus 5. So plus A minus A cancel. So here minus 7, here plus 5, difference is 2. So T3 minus T2 result is minus 2. So compare these two results. T2 minus T1 and T3 minus T2 are equal. So we get T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. So common differences are same. Therefore, the given sequence is what? A minus 3, A minus 5, A minus 7 is etc. is an arithmetic progression, is an AP. So next sequence. Check whether the following sequence are AP. Our second question is, check whether the following sequences are in AP. Our second question is what? 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. So our second question is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, etc. So you want to check the given sequence is AP or not. So you know T2 minus T1, that is common difference. T2 is 1 by 3, term 2, minus this minus, T1 is 1 by 2. So this is equal to, so you know cross multiplication. 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 1 is, right here minus 3, 1 is 3 by 6. So this is equal to minus 1 by 6, right? Minus 1 by 6. So T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. So this is T3, this is T2. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into 1, 3 minus 4 into 1, 4 by 4 3s are 12. So this is minus 1 by 12. So look these two results. T2 minus T1 is minus 1 by 6. T3 minus T2 is minus 1 by 2. So these are not equal. So right here T2 minus T1 not equal to T3 minus T2. Therefore, the given sequence 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, etc. is not arithmetic progression. Not an arithmetic progression. So look, common differences are same means arithmetic progression. common differences are difference means not an arithmetic progression. So our third question is, look, our third question is 9, 13, 17, 21, 25. So third Roman 9, 13, 17, 21, 25. So this is our third question. So check common difference T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. 13 minus 9. Right? 13 minus 9. So this is 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. And T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. So term 3 minus term 2. Term 3 minus term 2. 17 minus 30. This is also 4. Check one more term. T4 minus T3. T4 minus T3. 21 minus 17. That's also 4. Therefore, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Their given sequence. Hence, the given sequence 9, 13, 17, 21, 25, etc. is an arithmetic progression. Is an arithmetic progression. So next question is, check whether the following sequence are in AB. Check whether the following sequence are in AB. So our fourth Roman is what? Fourth Roman is minus 1 by 3. First term minus 1 by 3. Second term 0. Third term plus 1 by 3. And fourth term 2 by 3, etc. So minus 1 by 3, 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, and next. So listen, common difference formula T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3. Right? T2 minus T1 first. T2 is 0 minus. So this minus is formula minus. Of T1 value is minus 1 by 3. So this is equal to 0 minus into minus plus 1 by 3. 0 plus 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. So this is T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. Next, T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. You know T3. T3 is 1 by 3 minus T2 is 0. So this is also 1 by 3. So T3 minus T2 also 1 by 3. So what about T4 minus T3? T4 minus T3. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 also 1 by 3. Therefore we get T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. The common differences are same. Hence are therefore minus 1 by 3, 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, etc. are in arithmetic progression. Are in arithmetic progression. Next, our last question. Check whether the following sequence are in AP. Check whether the following sequence are in AP. So last and final one is fifth Roman 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1 is our given sequence. So we want to check the given sequence is arithmetic progression or not. So 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, like this. So write T2 minus T1. So symbol is very important. Listen. So T2 is what? Minus 1. So this is the formula minus right here. T1 also 1. So you know minus 1 is minus 2. Next T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. So T3 value is T3 is 1 minus of minus 1. This is plus 2 because minus into minus is plus. 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is 2. So T2 minus T1 is not equal to T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. Right? T2 minus T1 result minus 2. But T3 minus T2 result is plus 2. So these are not equal. Hence 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 comma etc. are not an AP. Are not an AP. Next 2.5 exercise 2.5 seconds. First term A and common difference D are given below. Find the corresponding AP. So in sequence, first term and differences are given. We want to make the sequence form, that is arithmetic progression. So first term A is given and common difference D is given, means how to form arithmetic progression. That's very easy. General form of arithmetic progression. General form of arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. So this is general form. So A value and D value. So substitute here A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. So the corresponding AP. So corresponding AP means what? General form of AP. Therefore, the required AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. No? In first Roman, A is given 5, D value is 6. So substitute A value 5 and D value 6 here. So A value is what? 5, 5 plus D value 6, A value 5 plus D value is what? 6, but here 2D. 2D means 2 into D. 2 into 6 is 12, etc. So 5, 5 plus 6, 5 plus 2, etc. So 5 plus 6 is 11, 5 plus 12 is 17, etc. So this is required arithmetic progression. And A is 5, D is 6. First term is 5 and common difference 6, means the arithmetic progression is 5, 11, 17, etc. So this is arithmetic progression when A is 5, D is 6. And second question. Second question, the first term is what? 7. Common difference is minus 5. So the required arithmetic progression is the general form of AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Right? So here A value is 7, D value is minus 5. So substitute here 7 and D value is minus 5. So A value 7, 7 plus of minus 5, 7 plus of minus 10, etc. So why this place becomes minus 10? 2 into minus 5. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. So this is 7, plus into minus is minus. 7 minus 5 is 2, 7 minus 10 is minus 3, etc. So this is corresponding arithmetic progression, and A is 7, D is minus 5. And then last one. So given that in last Roman, third Roman, A equal to 3 by 4 and D equal to 1 by 2. A equal to 3 by 4 and D equal to 1 by 2. So substitute here 3 by 2 and D value is 1 by 2. So 3 by 4, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 4 plus 2 of 1 by 2, etc. So that is 3 by 4, cross multiple or denominator, we make the denominators are same. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 into 1 is 4 by 8. 6 plus 4 by 8. So here 2 cancel, means this becomes 1. So 3 by 4 plus 1, etc. Right? So this is 3 by 4, 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 by 8. 10 by 8 means 5 by 4, right? 10 by 8 is what? 5 by 4. So second term is 5 by 4, comma, cross multiples. 3 by 4 plus 1. 4 1 is 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 4, comma, etc. So this is required arithmetic progression when A is 3 by 4 and D is 1 by 2. Next, exercise 2.5, third. Find the first term and common difference of AP whose nth terms are given below. Already I told you every sequence has nth term. So here some sequence nth terms are given. Tn equal to minus 3 plus 2n and second one Tn equal to 4 minus 7n. So you want to find first term, that is A, and common difference D. You want to find A and D. So this is our question. Find the first term and common difference of arithmetic progression whose nth terms are given below. So nth term means Tn. Tn is equal to minus 3 plus 2. So we need first term means substitute n is equal to 1 or put n is equal to 1. That is first term. So T1 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 of 1 because substitute n value is 1. So this is equal to minus 3 plus 2. You know minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So first term is minus 1. First term is minus 1. So put n is equal to 2. Second term. So to find second term means substitute here 2 and 2. So T2 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 of 2. 2 of 2. So this is equal to minus 3 plus 4. Right? 2 2s are 4. So minus 3 plus 4 is plus 1. So term 2 is plus 1. So what's our question here? Find the first term and a common difference. So you know first term means T1. So first term is T1. So we know T1 value is minus 1. So how to find common difference means T2 minus T1. Common difference. T2 result minus T1 result. T2 is 1. 1 minus of minus 1. So T2 value 1. Formula minus, write as it is minus. T1 value is minus 1. So 1 minus of minus 1. So this is 1 minus into minus plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So common difference is 2. Therefore, first term A is equal to minus 1 and common difference D is equal to 2. So in our first question, first term A is minus 1 and common difference D is 2. This is our first Roman result. Second one. So second nth term is Tn equal to A minus 7n. So second question, nth term is 4 minus 7n. So Tn is equal to 4 minus 7n is the nth term of arithmetic progression. We want to find T1 first. So substitute n is equal to 1. 4 minus 7 of 1, right? 4 minus 7 of 1. So this is 4 minus 7 is minus 3. So T1 is equal to minus 3. Next T2. So substitute here 2 and 2. 4 minus 7 of 2. 7n means 7 into n. That is multiplication. 7 into 2 is equal to 4 minus 14. Minus 10. So second term of the sequence is minus 10. So we need first term and a common difference. You know first term means what? T1. So first term is T1. T1 value is minus 3. So write here minus 3. And common difference. Common difference means T2 minus T1. You know T2 value. T2 value is minus 10. So minus 10 minus of minus 3. Minus 10 minus of minus 3. This is minus 10 plus 3 equal to minus 7. So common difference is minus 7 and first term is minus 3. So next exercise 2.5 fourth sum. Find the 19th term of an arithmetic progression of an AB minus 11, minus 15, minus 17 and goes and so on. Minus 19 etc. So we want to find 19th term, that is T19. So what is 19th term in this sequence? Minus 11, minus 15, minus 19 etc. What is 19th term? So we use here general term formula. You know general term formula, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So given that arithmetic progression, so what is the general term of arithmetic progression? A plus n minus 1 into D. So right here Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What about T19? So T19 equal to A plus 19 minus 1 into D, right? This is A plus 18D. So T19 is A plus 18D. We need 19th term. So substitute A value here and D value here. So you know A value is what? First term. So this sequence, what is the first term? Minus 11. So A value minus 11. And then common difference. We need common difference. You know common difference formula. T2 minus T1 is common difference formula. T2 minus T1. So minus 15 minus of minus 11. This is minus 15 plus 11 is equal to minus 4. So common difference is minus 4 and first term is minus 11. So substitute this two value here. So we get A value minus 11 plus 18 of minus 4, right? So this is minus 11 plus into minus is minus 18 into 4, 40, 32, 72, right? So split this 18 as 10 plus 8. 4 into 10 is 40, right? 40 plus 3, 8 into 4 is 32. 40 plus 32 is 70. So minus 11 minus 72. So minus 11 minus 72, add these two because both are same sign. Both are in same sign. 2 plus 1 is 3. 7 plus 1 is 8. So this is minus 83. So 19th term. So 19th term of given arithmetic progression is minus 83. Minus 11, minus 15, minus 19. That is first term T1, T2, T3. So what is T19? So 19th term is minus 83. Next, exercise 2.5, fifth sum. Which term of the arithmetic progression is minus 54? Which term of an AB 16, 11, 6, 1, etc. is minus 54? So listen. So given arithmetic progression is 16 first term, 11 second term, 6 third term, 1 fourth term, etc. 54. So 54 is which term? You want to find which term is 54 in a sequence. So this is T1, this is T2, T3, T4. This is unknown. We take Tn. So you know Tn is minus 54. Let's take Tn is minus 54. You know general term. General term formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. So right here A plus n minus 1 into D equal to minus 54. So you want to find n. You want to find n. A value, D value are, you know, A is first term and D is common difference. So you know A value is 16 because first term and common difference is second term minus first term. 11 minus 16 is minus 5. So common difference is minus 5. A is 16. So substitute here minus 16 and here minus 5. So 16 plus of n minus 1 into minus 5, because d value is minus 5, equal to minus 54. So 16 plus minus 5 into n is minus 5n. So write minus 5n, minus 5n. Minus into minus is plus, 1 into 5 is 5, is equal to minus 54. Right? So add these two, because both are constant. 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 minus 5n is equal to minus 54. So send this 21 to right side, becomes negative minus 5n, right, as is minus 5n equal to minus 54 minus 21. So minus 5n is equal to minus 75. So both are negative integers. So add these two, we get minus 75. So send this minus 5 to right, we get n is equal to minus 75 by minus 5. So minus divides minus becomes plus. 1 5 is 5. 1 5 is 5, remain 2, 5 5s are 25, n is equal to 15. Right? N is equal to 15. Therefore, T15, that is 15th term. Therefore, 15th term of given AB is minus 54. So 15th term is minus 54. So next, exercise 2.5, sixth sum. Find the middle terms or term of an arithmetic progression 9, 15, 21, 27, etc. to 183. So given arithmetic progression is 9, 15, 21, 27, etc. to 183. So how many terms in this sequence? Because we want to find the middle term or terms of an AP. So first we want to find number of terms in AP. So number of terms in AP is n is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. So here L is last term, A means first term and D is common difference. Last term is what? 183 minus first term 9 by common difference is 15 minus 9 is 6 plus 1. Right? So 183 minus 9 is 174 divided by 6 plus 1. 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, remaining 5, 9 6 are 54, 29 plus 1 is 30. There are 30 terms. So in this sequence contains 30 terms. 183 is 30th term, right? But we have to find middle term. So totally there are 30 terms, that is even number of terms. Even number of terms means how to find middle term. Therefore the middle terms are n by 2th term and n by 2, right, small n also, n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. The given sequence contains even number of term means how to write middle term. There are two middle terms, n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. That's our middle term. That are the middle terms. Suppose sequence contains odd number of term means n plus 1 by 2th term is middle. N plus 1 by 2th term is middle. You know n value. N value is what? 30. So write here 30 and 30. So 30 by 2th term and 30 by 2 plus 1th term. So these are the middle terms. So 30 by 2 we know 15. This is also 15, but 15 plus 1 is 16. So the middle terms are 15th term and 16th term. So in this sequence, the middle terms are 15th term and 16th term. So 15th term means T15. T15 is A plus 14D, right? T15 is A plus 14D and T16 is A plus 15D, right? T15 means what? A plus 14t. A plus n minus 1 into t. 15 minus 1 is 14. Right? So T15 equal to A plus 14t. T16 equal to A plus 15t. You know A and D value, right? A value is what? 9. So 9 plus 14 into 6. Because D value is 6. So this is 9 plus 60 plus 24. This is 84. Right? 10 into 6 is 60. 4 into 6 is 24. 60 plus 24 is 84. So 84 plus 9 is what? 84 plus 9 is 93. Right? So 15th term is 93. Next, find 16th term. T16 equal to A plus 15t. So A value is 9. 9 plus 15 into 6. Right? 15 into 6 because T value is 6. So 9 plus 15 into 6. 60 plus 30 is 90. Right? 60 plus 30. 10 into 6 is 60. 5, 6 are 30. 60 plus 30, 90. So this is 99. So 16th term is 99. Therefore, middle terms are, what is our question? Find the middle terms of an AP. The middle terms of an AP are T15 and T16. That is 93 and 99.